Welcome, my name is Vince, W2KU, and today I'm going to show you how to make the font larger and darker in WSJTX. So the first thing you're going to want to do is check this menu over here to the right. Then you're going to go up here to File, come down to Settings, and it will open in the radio section. But we need to be in the general, so you want to click this tab up here, and then that opens you up to a bunch of other settings. But we're going to go right here where it says font. We're going to click font, and now you got your choice of the text you want to pick, the font type. I like Arial Black because it's nice and dark, and I went with the size 11 because that seemed to work well for me. It was readable, but it wasn't too big. Now this you may have to do a couple times, because if you make it too big, the page will load a different size and you may not have everything on it. Or some of the letters that get cut off, like you're just starting to see the top of these getting cut off. You want any bigger, they'd be cut off. Hope you found this helpful. Please remember to subscribe, ding that bell to catch all my videos, and give me a like and a share. Helps out the channel. 73.